Right now I'm
Hey Linton, I'm on your left. You pass this ball. What do you say? Are you deep or flat?
That means that, you know, we want to see so much more of the African talent, the African athletic ability that we know is there. You know, there's so much of the, you know, should I say, second generation African athleticism that is already in Europe. They've shown that it can be done. So I'm excited by it because I think it's going to open up the world of sevens to a truly an athletic continent that is currently underutilised. So I'm excited by all that it may bring, but I think we need to give it time.
We are trying to do a grassroots rugby program which is focused on the community as opposed to the schools, and we want to impart on these kids not just rugby, but we want to use rugby to also impart life skills with them.
The girls and boys, you know, from all walks of life to have the opportunity to pick the rugby ball up and play with it, and that inspires others, and people look in and want to be a part of it, and that's all you can do. You can inspire and have this aspiration about, you know, wanting to achieve things in the World Cup or the World Series or the Olympic Games.